my goodness. April 11th, Thursday, April 11th, 2024. It's windy today. 20 to 30 mile an hour winds with gusts to 50 mile an hour. And I got a widowmaker up here in this tree. I thought it's kind of moving around and creaking a little bit, but enough of it is still connected and laying on another branch that's pretty big, so I don't think it's going to come down, but I'm not going to be walking over there much. But the question I want to answer to is, are my pepper plants going to get blown away over here? I just got poked in the eye. I don't know, it's not too bad here. And I got some bamboo over here breaking a lot of this wind, which is a good thing. Yeah, look at the tops of these things, but down here it's not that bad. That wind is actually deflected over. Look at the tops of those. It's not that bad here. It could be. I mean, it starts getting 50, but for right now, I guess we're okay. The wind dries mesh bags out pretty quickly. They draw a lot of water to begin with, but the air moving over them really helps speed up the process, shall we say. But everything's looking really good, really healthy, really green. These guys are starting to put out some nice long branches. Got a couple peppers starting. Whoa, wow, look at the size of that thing. Oh my God, that's going to be that's a chocolate Primotali right there. Oh my God, look at that kinky, curly. Whoa, more down there. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already got a half a dozen. Oh, 7, 8, 9. I got a whole dozen on there probably. Oh my God, that's awesome. I'm so happy. Oh, and these chocolate reapers over here, check these out. Oh man, look at the size of those. Those are some of the biggest peppers I think I've ever grown right there. Man, I can't believe I strayed away from the rain barrel flood tray system here. And yeah, this thing was like almost totally dry this morning. I had to put probably 5 to 7 gallons in there, and it'll probably be dry by the end of the day with all the wind. And then this one over here, the big new trough tray pit, whatever you want to call it, pool I guess, that took a bunch. And these things soak up a lot of water. Each one of these will probably easily drink 2 gallons a day. And the bigger they get, the more they drink, the more they need. Don't have any, whoops, sorry, don't want to get too sideways on you there. Don't have too many peppers on that one yet. This one over here's got a whole bunch. This is tiny tails, or the little tails. Wow, look at a whole bunch of little ones on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, this thing is going to be loaded. And that's only a 3-gallon pot. I don't recommend a 3-gallon pot. I recommend bigger. I used that. I didn't have a lot of dirt at the time, and I just whipped up what I had, got that in there, and it's already kind of outgrowing it just because it's doing so well, and they know it's going to stop. Wow, look at this wind. Holy smokes, look at those things whipping around over there. See, that's why you want bamboo next to your house when you got a big storm, because it deflects. It's not too bad right here. Look at this. That's 20 to 30 mile an hour winds. Got a little breeze here. It's not so bad. So yeah, if not for the bamboo, these things would be getting tore up already. Oh, and this one, this is a Trinidad scorpion here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh man, 13, 14, 15. Those are some big ones over there. So yeah, there's already over a dozen peppers on that, and that's not even counting any of these branches. There's a couple more down there. So that's gonna have a couple dozen peppers on it. Same thing here, another Trinidad scorpion. 1, 2, 3. Gonna be a couple dozen on there. And these are nice big bags here. Those are like 12-gallon bags. So those, yeah, those hold a lot of water, or a lot of nutrient, a lot of, well, yeah, a lot of water, a lot of reserve. Man, look at this wind. Yeah, it's not too bad here. I mean, if these were over in the yard on the other side of the bamboo, they'd probably be getting a little bit shredded right now. So yes, the bamboo is doing its job for the wind mitigation. Oh, and my awesome tomato. I think I got a couple different kinds of these things. Some of them are round. Some of them are this little pear-shaped, like these ones are. And then there's other ones, or maybe they just have slightly different shapes to some of them. I don't know. But man, these things are so delicious. And talked to probably the best mechanic in town today over at Stralls, Steve Stralls, and he said the number one thing to go on these motors is the idle air control. And it, I thought it was only for air conditioning, but it's for everything. Anytime there's any load on the motor, that little canuter has to go back and forth in there. That little valve, powered by this solenoid, clicks and rides the wave of load on the engine and adjusts accordingly. So whenever the motor's running, no matter what you're doing, if you're turning the power steering or putting it in gear, the air conditioner's coming on, that thing's working all the time. So it wears out a lot, and it'll start to stick or catch, or the spring wears out and it's down there at the wrong end. It's just flopping around in there. It could be doing anything. There's no telling. But that is a number one top, not the number one, but a number one thing to look for is the idle air control valve.